Dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just Instagram no internet, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try, open mobile data or cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if it doesn't happen, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just find here software update. And if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And the latest option you can try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.